Okay, so there was something important I totally forgot to add with this part about the new listing. So, to be continued here, what we need to do is organize our new listing because we want to be able to find it in the future. So what I'm going to do is just group this together and copy it. I'm going to create a new Quark document, and I'm just going to size it really small, about 2 inches by 2.5 inches. There it is, and paste my listing in there. Okay, so it's a new listing today, but next time it runs, it won't be a new listing anymore. So what we're going to do is change our heading, and it needs to be something flashy and exciting. So what I'm thinking is maybe we'll just steal the word at the very beginning, desirable. Sounds good to me. And let's, oh, totally spelled that wrong. Okay. Okay, so desirable. We'll get rid of that at the beginning. What we're going to do now is save it in our plazas folder here. Got our listings folder for our 2 realtors. So this is Cindy Torres's. So what we're going to do is name it as the MLS number, which is 2019-2512. And it's saved in there, ready to go. So next time you need to find it and use it for your ad, you just look in here. Oh, there it is. Copy and paste it into your ad. Easy peasy. Organization is key, because if you don't know where things are, you're not going to be able to find them. So make sure you keep track of these, because sometimes I'll forget to make a new listing Quark document, and then I forget when I can't find it. So always stay on top of it. Alrighty, that I believe is it. Hopefully I don't have to make this one again. Done. See you next time.